Hello there and welcome to News Channel 7. There was a tornado in the States and only one man survived, President Obama. We will send you right to Mr. Obama.
Hello, the tornado was scary. I thought I was gonna die. I do not want my White House to break because I live in it and it's the best house I ever lived in my entire life. And it was so scary that many other people died. And good thing my White House didn't break. We'll send you back to the new Sammy, the News Channel 7 girl.
Well, thank you. And a lucky man named Logan McLeod, has found One-Eyed Willie's key. Here he is.
Hi, I wanted Willie's key, and when I was 13, in high school, I learned about them. So here's the story. When I was 13, I learned about Willie's key, and someone knew about it already, because I heard it in elementary school. So, I didn't know where Willie's key was. Well, one of my friends told me, and so I found Willie's key on Willie's boat, but Willie died, so good thing I got the key. And that's all I wanted to tell you. We'll send you back to the News Channel 7 girl named Sammy.
Wow, that must have been very exciting for you, Logan McLeod. I'm so sorry. Okay, now a young lady named Sarah Embley has an important announcement about an earthquake. Here she is. Sorry if it takes long because we are having technical difficulties.
Yes, we are.
The earthquake was bad. It was 5.9 off the Richter scale. 4 people died. Others survived. It was very scary. My mommy has died, and my daddy and my brother and my older sister survived. I will send you back to Sammy. Well, thank you for watching News Channel 7. Come again. Thank you.